Chapter 2. The Evil Shoes. Some time later, the old lady became very sick. Many people said she could not live. She needed a lot of care. Karen was the best person to do this. She took good care of her for a while. One day, she received an invitation to a ball. A ball, thought Karen. I would love to go. But then she thought of the old lady. I must stay here. Soon after, she changed her mind. But she's going to die anyway. I'm going to the ball, decided the selfish girl. She got dressed and put on her red dancing shoes. Karen went to the ball. She danced and danced. Then the shoes started to do strange things. The shoes took Karen out into the street and out of the town. She danced into a dark forest. She tried to stop, but she couldn't. Then she heard a voice.
They are such pretty dancing shoes.
It was the old soldier. She became extremely frightened. She wanted to throw her shoes off, but now it was too late. She danced for days and for nights. She could never stop to rest. Karen danced toward the church door. At that moment, she saw an angel. He was dressed in white and held a big sword.
Dance, you wicked girl,
he said.
Proud people will see you. They will learn from your mistakes.
Please, have mercy on me, Karen begged. Karen didn't hear the angel reply. The shoes danced her out of the churchyard. She danced on and on. She came to a small, lonely house. It was an executioner's house. She called out, Please, cut off my feet! They are wearing red dancing shoes! She told him about all her sins, and then the man cut off her feet. She watched the red shoes dance away with her feet. The executioner made 2 wooden feet and crutches for her. I will go to church now, she told him. Karen went to a church and begged to the parson. Please, let me live with you. I will work hard and be a good person. Karen lived in the parson's house. She read the Bible and took care of many children. She wholeheartedly repented. One Sunday, she heard a sound. It was the sound of church music. She cried out, Dear God, please forgive me. At that moment, the room became very bright. There was an angel standing before her. It was the same angel she saw in the churchyard. This time he was different. He had a bunch of roses instead of the sword. He touched her room with the roses. Her room became the church. She could hear the organ playing. People said to her,
It is good to see you, Karen. We are glad that you came.
No one ever spoke of the red shoes again. Karen started to have a feeling of peace and joy.